I make fart noises. Ready? Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Aw. What the heck? Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that was awful. That one didn't make any noise.
Camera, stop farting.
It's not working.
Let me show you.
Stupid thing. Oh, that was horrible.
And it stinks. And it stinks.
It does not stink. Are you ready? What the heck was that? Ew, that just sounded gross. I'm going to take it out and put it back in here.
That part's really good. It popped my ear.
Don't make it any noise.
I don't know no one who can fart like that. Who farts on and on and on? It's just the weirdest thing.
People with gas. Oh, no! Now you almost ended up with it on the floor.
Again. Slimy, slimy.
Try and take it out so you can put some air in the bottom.
Oh.
And that's us farting for the day. Have a great day.